live TV and sports, check out this new application for the Amazon Fire TV stick. Head to the search icon and click in the search. Type in Downloader. Downloader gives you the ability to sideload applications onto your Amazon Fire TV stick. Click on Downloader, get it, download and install it. Place it in the queue real quick and installs Downloader. Once Downloader is installed, go back to your home screen and head to the settings icon, the little cog wheel here on the far right, and come down to My Fire TV. We need to enable Downloader to sideload applications not available on your Fire Stick. So if you do not already have developer options listed, click About, and under Fire TV Stick, use your remote and click it about 6 to 7 times, and then it will come up saying you are now a developer, and you can back out and click on Developer Options. Under Developer Options, go down to Install Unknown Apps. Under Downloader, click it and turn it on. This will allow Downloader to sideload applications. Come back to our home screen. Now guys, let's make sure we keep our online privacy secure. Under the search icon, type in Surfshark VPN, S-U-R-F. Surfshark VPN. Get it, download and install it. Once you've installed it, use the link below, create an account, and log into Surfshark. Find a location near you. I live in Canada, so I'm going to click United States. And now I'm in Detroit. This keeps our activity nice and tight, and maybe geolocates ourselves to places where these applications are stored. Now head over to the 3 squares plus sign, your apps and games icon. Come down to Downloader. Use the 3-line button on your remote and move it to the front. You can do the same thing with Surfshark. And now when we go to our home screen, they're up front and center for us to use. Open up Downloader. Yes, allow to access photos, media, and files on our device. And a little quick start guide there. Click OK. And here in the URL, or click up to the URL and enter a shortcut. And we're going to type in 370.178. And this will give you a direct link to our download page in the Led by the Unknown website. Once the 5-second redirect is completed, you can hit the 3-line button on your remote, add current page to favorites, and then you just use the favorites bar on the left side there to come straight to this page. Now we can head on down, check out our videos and other applications. And today we're looking for some live TV and some sports, so we can click on this top one under live TV. It heads to the web's download page and come on down to download the application. Click on the download button. And it would like to install, say yes, install, and we're done. And then delete the APK file. Yes, confirm to delete. Now we can go back to the home screen. Go all the way to your apps and games icon. And then come down and find the new application you've downloaded. 3-line button on your remote. Move to the front. And go back to the home screen. And your new application is up front and center. Then we can click on the application. Then we have our featured, channels list, country, categories, live TV, sports, all available on your Amazon Fire TV stick.